So we had to do one with me eating sushi. So I did the two that he said was good. Let's see if I agree with him. Alright. We both know he don't supposed to eat this, so I'm gonna take this part off.
Yeah, the black part, take rough from the bottom.
Okay.
You like it? You don't like it? You don't like it? I thought that one was real good. I bet if you tried the other ones, you would like that one more.
It was alright. It was cold, so I knew it wasn't cooked.
Mine wasn't warm, but it wasn't cold.
I gotta get this on hand out because I already can tell it's about to be nasty.
It's not nasty.
You didn't even try it. That's disgusting.
That was good.
That tastes like straight fish that jumped out the sea.
It was good.
We got different taste buds, y'all. That was disgusting. I don't recommend sushi for nobody. Alright, y'all. I'm out. I ain't trying nothing else.